Let's take one idea and apply a set of styles using two options. Open the image generator. Choose Seedream as your model. It brings accuracy and creativity to styles. Type your prompt. Just describe the scene you're imagining. Pick a style. Each one gives your image a completely different vibe. For example, Bold Flat uses thick strokes and solid shapes. Pastel Cartoon creates soft textures with an animated touch. Dreamy Anime adds glow and volume with an illustrated feel. You can also experiment with built-in color palettes. Select one depending on the mood you want to give your image. Or create your own palette. Click on New Palette, give it a name, choose an image, and let the tool generate the colors for you. The other option is to go to the editor and use Restyle to apply styles to existing images without altering the original structure. Restyle updates the style but keeps the original composition. Great for maintaining consistency. Fantasy Cartoon uses bright colors and a storybook feel. Arcade Bits adds pixel textures and retro style. Oil Pastel delivers thick strokes and warm tones. You can also experiment with different color palettes. The generator creates a completely new image with each style. Restyle, on the other hand, keeps the structure and just changes the look. One image, multiple versions. You decide your favorite look.